Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can import media to Microsoft Clipchamp. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Microsoft Clipchamp and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find the home section, the brand kit, templates, and right here, you're going to find all of your folders. Here in the center of your screen, you're going to find the option to create a new video. And here you can create a video with AI. So right now, I'm going to click on create a new video. And then once you're here, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to customize your video. So right now, in order to import media in Microsoft Clipchamp, all you need to do guys is click on import media here in the top. Once you do that, right here, you can choose any media that you want to add. So for example, I'm going to add this video, these two videos like this. And then once you add your media, you can drag it to your timeline by clicking on the plus icon right here, or you can just drag it directly like this. And once you add your video, you can customize it by using the tools right here. So for example, I'm going to add an effect to this video by going to effects right here. And then I'm going to click on green screen. And as you can see, guys, I removed the background from this video. If you want to adjust the audio, you can just click on the video, click on audio right here, and then you can adjust the volume. You can also detach the audio if you want, like this. And then you can adjust the audio separately, or you can just remove it if you want. So I'm going to remove this audio like this. And once you finish customizing your video, go ahead and click on export to save your video. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.